Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the best reviews on the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of powerlifting with what I believe to be the absolute best wrist wraps out there. Gymreapers Weightlifting Wrist Wraps. These wrist wraps are not your average support gear. They're competition grade, IPF approved, and built to withstand the toughest workouts. Whether you're into powerlifting, bodybuilding, or just serious about strength training, these wraps have got you covered.
What sets Gymreapers apart is their dedication to quality and performance. These wraps have been tested by world champion powerlifters, IFBB pro athletes, and renowned fitness trainers, so you know you're getting top-tier support. But what really makes these wrist wraps stand out?
Let's dive into the details.
First off, these wraps are true to size at 18 inches, giving you the perfect balance of tightness and support.
And unlike cheaper wraps on the market, Gymreapers ensures that you get the full length without sacrificing quality.
The heavy-duty thumb loop and reinforced Velcro closure keep the wraps securely in place, allowing you to customize the level of tension for your specific needs. No more worrying about slips or discomfort during your lifts.
But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the durability, comfort, and performance of these wraps.
From seasoned lifters to beginners, everyone agrees that Gymreapers delivers on their promise of quality. In conclusion, if you're serious about your lifts and want the best wrist wraps powerlifting has to offer, look no further than Gymreapers.
With their IPF approval, competition-grade quality, and unmatched support, these wraps will take your training to the next level. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on top-notch products like Gymreapers Weightlifting Wrist Wraps. Until next time, happy lifting!